first hidden theatre, we select a restaurant called Hanging Gardens in the heart of the IT district in Bangalore. None of the customers in this restaurant know that Chandru here is one of our actors who pretends to be a senior manager at an IT firm.
Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Nobody knows that Priyanka is also one of our actors who's just been rejected for a job by Chandru, mainly because she's too dark. The interview happened just a short while ago and they bump into each other at this restaurant.
Sir, but I don't understand why I wouldn't get the job, sir, because this is what I've specialized in college.
No, there are parameters to it, and I think we did explain you quite well.
So I don't understand. So I have the skills. My portfolio is so strong. I'm better than a lot of the people who applied, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And you just refuse to even look at my CV.
No, I did go through your CV. I think I made it clear. We have a certain set of rules with the company
So
on what categories do we select people and things like that.
So I have skills. So I'm good with time management. I'm good with people's relations.
See, it's not about time management. It's not about the skill and all. You are not understanding. With the section that we are looking at,
The customers can clearly hear the conversation, but nobody actually intervenes.
So, but I applied for the customer services job.
It doesn't take long at all. In fact, it's amazing, but this customer reacts immediately to the insinuation that the girl's skin color is important for a job.
The skill and the skin part is also looked upon.
So I don't see how.
I'm sorry, I was just overhearing your conversation, but it's already 2015, and I don't think people, see the skin tone and hire someone for a job.
See,
I'm sorry, I just interrupted in your little meeting, but I don't know. No one's been such a racist. I've never come across someone who talks like this. I mean, no one hires someone based on their skin tone or whatever.
No, we have our own set of rules in our company.
I'm sorry,
And beauty is a part of your custom, like you hire people.
I don't need to tell you what.
No need not tell me, but I guess the person sitting in front of you needs the answer.
Yes. Because I couldn't help but overhear this whole conversation.
This is what is my company policy. I've been paid for it.
I don't know.
And please, I think you can appreciate.
This is very wrong. It was my personal opinion, Mr.
See, her skin color definitely matters.
This is very wrong. I'm sorry. I will stand up for this.
See, and we can't take this kind of people to represent our company in upfront.
I
I'm
think
sorry.
there are better companies for you to.
You're being very wrong.
My company doesn't need such niche.
She doesn't need companies like yours. She can get hired in better places. I am sorry, but I'm sure you didn't.
See, you
expect
have a
this.
lighter skin. That's the reason why you're talking.
No, it is not about that. Nobody is such a racist in this sense. It's 21st century.
It is not about racism. It's about the company's image.
No, oh my God, I don't believe this. I'm very sorry for
See,
you, darling.
She's asking some questions which I don't think so I should be answering.
You are right now pissed off at something else, and basically.
See,
your
I'm
company
making one
policies
thing
are
very
wrong.
clear, boss. The color is very important.
Color is not important.
It is very
It is
important.
not
Why did your
It
company
is very
hire you?
important.
Why did your company hire you?
It's okay.
Have you
Okay,
ever
okay.
seen any dark
It's okay.
people succeed? It's okay.
You know what?
Have you seen any better life they have had, or anything for that matter?
President Obama is a dark-skinned person, but actually, you know what? I shouldn't even be saying dark or fair or whatever. In
No,
this,
actually, just
in
let
today's
it go.
world-
Okay, you know what? I guess you have to look out for a better company, and you definitely
you'll
have to
get
think
a
about
No,
your policy.
success goes with the fairer
Success
people.
does not go with the fairer people. I will give up my lunch right now and I will sit and debate with you all this.
Yeah, please.
I'm very sorry, mister, but this doesn't work like this. And I don't think this poor girl needs to go through all this just
Exactly.
because of...
Have
I'm
you
sorry,
not seen
I'm
the
sorry.
ads or the fairness cream? I think you should learn from the ad.
Ads are being very wrong and the celebrities endorsing these kind of ads are still being much more wrong.
See, there is a company policy. I have been paid for it. I have been asked to select people exactly like this.
You know what? I think right now I need to be raising my voice. I'm a very polite person otherwise, but what you're doing, mister, is very wrong. This girl does not need to go through all this. She doesn't deserve this kind of a treatment, yeah? I'm voicing my opinion because I'm a woman and I'm taking a stand for another woman.
Now, how does it work in the world?
it very much works in the world. People like you don't work in this world. I've never seen someone with such a narrow-minded thinking that you judge someone based on their skin tone. I'm sorry. I feel sorry
See,
for
backhand
you.
is absolutely fine for her, where she will not be
No,
seen.
nothing is fine for her in your company. I'm sorry. Nothing is fine for this girl. For your I consider me
Yeah, that's
your
exactly.
well-wisher or your sister or whatever. But trust me,
See,
you
she
can
can
be much
she can
better.
get a backhand in my company. That's what I'm trying to tell her. If I send her up front, on front, or a customer inquiry or something, you think somebody will acknowledge
Why
her
not?
and talk to her?
Why
You are-
not?
you
See,
are
right now, for an example, the way you're talking, I can definitely see you have 0% skill actually to talk to a
Exactly.
stranger or
I'm
even
sorry,
another person.
nobody talks
Okay,
like this.
and I can tell you, I can write it and give it to you. Actually, she can beat you in this.
Beat where?
I beat you in
In
all
your
forms.
job
Actually
profile, in
speaking,
anything for that matter.
actually speaking, if
Please
you're
stop being
really
a
talking
racist.
about.
Now our production team decides it's time to reveal ourselves and
What
let
is all this
everybody
about?
know that this is a hidden
guys are
social experiment.
Oh, hi.
It takes a little time for it to sink in that this is in fact just an act, and these are our actors.
Wait, are you serious? Okay, shit, I'm just. I was seeing an outright rude, racist person who was putting down a girl for her skin tone, and who was just not appreciating her for what her talent is, for what she's skilled for. But I don't know who judges someone based on skin tone. I think I just I had lost my cool when this person was just going overboard with this whole thing. But yeah, that's so wrong. It's very wrong. Nobody judges someone based on their skin tone. No one hires someone based on their skin tone. Yeah, it doesn't work that way. But I'm still taken aback. But I really lost my cool. And trust me, my friends, being the gentlemen that they are, I think this person would have just got bashed up.
See, basically, we are not fair, first of all, and on top of that, somebody calling some other person from the same cultural background and being racist, within the country. From where do you expect respect from the other countries?
This whole taboo of oh my god, dark skin people, I really disagree on this. And these, frankly, to all those actresses out there, I'm sorry, but you guys endorsing these fairness cream ads, I don't think it's just a big thumbs down from my side. I think from all of us. Such things really exist because I see my own friends. I shouldn't be saying this, but I see my own friends facing issues with their weddings, probably, because say the guy's mother wants like a fairer bride. Now this is a big no, and I really disagree with this whole thing. So it very much exists in the society, but again it starts from within. So you take a stand against this, I think the whole world will stand by you.